Sometimes I just want video to be simple. Source, cable, destination, done. And there are a million ways to move video over all different kinds of wire. But the second that you need a signal to land on a laptop, a meeting room PC, or a conferencing appliance, things get weird fast. And I know what you're thinking, Jordan, just use USB. And yeah, in theory, but then USB gets messy real quick too. Just look at this chart. The number of specs, modes, power requirements, data types, and edge cases that you have to think about with USB is wild. But that is why Atlona built the USB 3.2 Gen 1 data extender kit. This lets you extend any USB device up to 330 feet or 100 meters over standard category cable. So this kit gives you 4 USB ports on the device side. So you get 3 USB-A ports that are backwards compatible all the way to USB 1 and a USB-C port as well. Everything gets aggregated back to a single USB-C connection on the host side, which you can break out to USB-C or USB-A depending on what you're trying to connect. Now, I definitely want to stress, use Cat 6A or better if you want to get the full 330 feet. So even on Cat 5E cable though, which is basically ancient at this point, you're still getting over 150 feet of usable length, which is plenty for almost any conference room or collaboration space. And power is really flexible too. You can actually power the system from either side, so either the host side or the device side using the included bidirectional power supply. So wherever it's more convenient to supply your power, that'll work fine either way. Atlona also baked in IT-friendly features like a dedicated USB-C management port and a dedicated LAN port with built-in web interface. So from a browser, IT can actually see connected devices, manage connections, the V-Bus, update firmware, and troubleshoot without ever having to actually touch the hardware in the room. This is a perfect solution for integrators and end users who want USB to just work. You can extend a camera from where it needs to live in the room to where the computer actually is. You can put a USB mic in the middle of the table without relocating the room PC. And you're doing all of this without having to jump into full-blown networked AV over IP. This is an enterprise-grade USB extension, which is shockingly hard to find. Atlona nailed it. So if you have any questions about this or any other Atlona solution, reach out to your Almo Pro AV or Atlona rep. They'll get you dialed in.